Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: ownership, power level, and mission access. Once confirmed, approach the mission node in the destination map and accept the Mattermorph activity. Make sure to equip gear that meets the recommended power. This prevents soft locks. You should have the required tokens or currency in inventory before engaging. Open your Ghost menu to check objective markers, then travel to the activity. From here, you're ready to enter. Accept any matchmaking options or set custom fire team preferences. You now execute the activity with focus on mechanics and timing. Once in, monitor the HUD for timers and phase changes, and communicate targets if in a fire team. Make sure to perform purification steps or imprint actions promptly. Delays escalate difficulty. Use mapped routes for objectives to minimize downtime, and stagger supers with teammates to cover windows of vulnerability. If something changes mid-run, reset to a safe position and reassign roles quickly so you maintain momentum through the complex middle stages. You finish by completing the final objective and claiming rewards at the conclusion screen. Decrypt or inspect any drops immediately. Once done, verify progression tracked in the quest log and turn in tokens to the vendor if required. If the activity fails to register or you encounter a bug, try a quick restart. Leave to orbit and relaunch the activity, power cycle the game client, and clear cache if needed. If problems persist, gather screenshots and submit a support ticket to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.